Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial, we will discuss addressing mode of 8051 microcontroller by using Keil software. So, for example, if you want to set up a project inside Keil, so you will need to go to project, and in the project you will select new project. Then you will select a folder where you want to for example, this is lab number 6, so I will create a folder. Its name will be lab 6, and I will press OK. After opening it, I will just give it a name that is lab 6.asm. You can write pgrm1 or program1 dot asm. You can turn underscore here, so we will save it. After saving it, we will need to just search Intel or here. So in this Intel family, we will need to select 8051AH. So its specification is mentioned here. We will need to OK it. Now we want to program assembly. We want to code in assembly language. So we don't need it. So I will press on no. Now in here is no file. For example, if we see in this target one source file is missing. So for that I will create. I can press control in, or I will press on this option. So I will need to save it before doing it whatever I want to do. So I will save it. Yes. Okay. And this is lab number 6 and lab number 6 pgrm, and I will further save it with .asm, with the extension of .asm, and now I will save it. Okay, yeah, I will replace it. No, I don't need it. Okay, now I will add this file to this source code. So for this I will just right click on this, and I will select add existing file to group. So here I will need to choose it. This is ASM. This is program 6 underscore pgrm 1.asm. So I will just click on it. So when I will click on it, so here a plus sign will appear. Okay, so here for example, now I am closing it, and here is lab number 6. Now I need to write a code whatever I want to run it. So for this I will just write org. Org is representing originate, or is resembling originate 00h. 00h is a starting address where I want to store my code inside internal memory of 8051 microcontroller. So this is 000h is a starting location where my machine language will be stored inside the internal memory of 8051 microcontroller. And I will just write a code for moving 0 to h. 02 is a hexadecimal. H is representing hexadecimal number. So 02 is hexadecimal number. But I want to load 02 into A. A is representing accumulator. So for that, for representing data in 8051, we will need to write hash with 02, because hash is representing data, and we want 02 hexadecimal is a data we want to load it into A. So now I will just need to okay, here I need end end. This is a starting point, and end is the ending point of program. This is just a one line code. I want to check it is either working properly or not. Okay, So now I will translate it. Translate is has been modified to external. No. Okay, for example, if it's creating problem, I will auto save it. Yes, I am